I remember when I was like younger, and I was kind of courageous and daring sort of. I was wondering where would I have been? Dabbling into so many things that without any calculation or something like that. But God has been with me and He has leveled all the mountains before me. He has made everything plain before me, and I have not really found it so hard or so difficult to pass through most of the challenges I went through in life before I get to where I am today. In all things, I say I'm giving thanks to God.
God, yeah, to God be the glory, ma.
Thank you.
Okay, ma. So, how do you feel at age 62?
I think I feel a bit matured more than before. I'm not really too different from who I was when I was 24. When I was 21, in terms of maybe exposure. But when you're talking of aging, sort of, maybe sometimes a little pain here and there, but God has been with me. I've not really felt that old.
Yeah, you're looking radiant, ma.
I'm still waiting for that old age syndrome. Everybody's been caring me about. Even when I get to 70, I don't know how I feel then. But now, I feel so energetic. I don't feel different from when I was like in my 30s or in my 40s. I don't feel any. I still wear my heels. I still wear my jeans. I still wear my rambuba. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma.
So, and I think I would say thank God for that, and because of maybe my practice or something. So I feel good.
Right, ma. It's good to hear that, ma. So you made mention of some challenges. So I would like to know how you've been able to overcome those challenges, ma.
I will let you know that life is not full of
Bed of
roses.
Yeah.
Of course, there were some challenges along the line, and because of my God that has been with me, my faith, my Jesus Christ, my Lord, my Master, my companion, my Jehovah Shammah, and my ever-present help in times of trouble, that I've always carried Him with me in the journey of life. If not for Him, the challenges will have overcome me, because I went through challenges. I'm not going to say that, everything has been smooth. When all the challenges, God has been there for me. He has always made me to come out victoriously. And everybody will wonder, Shebi, we thought that, it's going to be over for her. But I always come out stronger. Always stronger than my enemy, stronger than any challenge. Because the God I serve is a living God, and there's nothing He cannot do for me. And the Bible says, who are down mountain before Zerubbabel? Who are you, mountain before Quincy, Ayodele? Who are down that mountain that can face me? You understand what I'm saying? That's the way I see life. You understand? And that's the way I see challenges. There is no challenge that my God cannot overcome for me. You understand? Up until today, and even after today, my Jesus Christ has always been victorious in all the challenges. So I don't see any challenge as challenge. I see it as an experience. You understand? If I come through a challenge, okay, these are not experience. So because I know that I will come out of it, and I'll come out stronger. There's something that the Jew preached for us. He said, stronger than your enemies. I am always stronger than my enemies. I'm always stronger than any challenge. So challenge you come 2021 làwàyí. Tí pọ̀ tó. Jésù máa pa ogun yín dànù.
Alright, thank God for your life, ma.
Yes,
so I should say God has been your inspiration.
Yes.
Alright, ma. So what negative effect does COVID-19 has on your business?
Coronavirus yẹn, thing they call Quincy, it's a demon. It is a dragon. I don't even know how to describe it. For me, to God be the glory. Coronavirus did not have any negative effect in my business, any of my businesses, and I give God the glory. It's during the lockdown that Quincy Wellness was given back to. We were able to integrate both traditional medicine into the existing healthcare industry. We were able to match the two without even knowing that coronavirus was coming. You understand? So as soon as the coronavirus now came, God was on our side. God has already prepared us for the battle of coronavirus at Quincy Wellness. So that was when Quincy Wellness, Wellness and Naturopathy Center was founded. It was built during the lockdown. It was opened during the lockdown. Do you understand what I'm saying? And during this pandemic, it became useful. You understand? For the treatment and management of so many diseases. So God has prepared us. That's why I say, if people are thinking of challenges, if you are chosen, God will have seen the challenges ahead of you. He will have prepared you for it, and He will have even won the battle for it. So He prepared us as person well enough for this pandemic, but we did not know. So it did not have any negative effects in our business. To God be the glory. It was during the pandemic that we are able to find Quincy table water. You understand? So many good things happened to us at Quincy Wellness during the pandemic. So I don't see any, but that's not to say that we don't have one or two things affecting us, especially the movement, especially the COVID-19 protocol that we have to observe, which we are observing as Quincy Wellness. So apart from the movement thing, which we also change our own way of consultation, like now we have the virtual consultation. You can telemed us, you can phone us, we can video call you to know what you are suffering from, and then we can be able to make our prescription even by watching you online. So we quickly adjusted everything we were doing before to match the COVID-19 protocols, and it's working well for us.
Okay, congratulations on those achievements, ma'am.
Thank you.
So another thing is that, what are the things you've done, like maybe parley with the government to eradicate coronavirus? Like, what are the things you've done to fight against coronavirus?
We've done a lot at Quincy Wellness to try and to kind of reduce the spread on our own part. Of course, we have been able to bring out some medicinal plants, to manage the symptoms of COVID-19, manage the symptoms, at the onset of the symptoms of COVID-19. We have been able to find a kind of herbal medicine, so kind of suppress the symptoms if you notice it on time. And even if you are under the attack, we can be able to give you the herbal medicine and the integrated orthodox medicine. Herbal medicine alone cannot do coronavirus. Just how I can say, it has to be both. It has to be both herbal medicine plus the existing orthodox medicine from an experienced practitioner to apply these two medicines together to manage you out of your symptoms. Of course, plus when necessary, the use of oxygen. Herbal medicine cannot give you oxygen, so we still have to integrate. Do you understand what I'm saying? So those two medicines must come together to manage COVID-19. It's highly recommended. The two arms of medicines must work together to manage COVID-19 symptoms. Steaming, for instance, is necessary if you are experiencing the symptoms of coronavirus. And steaming with eucalyptus oil. It's not just hot steam alone. It has to be eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is not orthodox medicine. It's a herbal medicine. You understand what I'm saying? You have to be on antibiotics. You have to be on a lot of things that your practitioner will prescribe for you. You cannot manage coronavirus alone by yourself at home. You have to be under hospitalized care. You have to be under knowledgeable healthcare practitioner in hospital environment. That one is very necessary. You cannot, it's dangerous for you to stay at home and say you are managing the coronavirus, taking vitamin C and the rest. No, you have to take more than that. For those 14 days, you must take more than that under supervised healthcare practitioner in a hospital environment. That I'm recommending that they should combine both orthodox plus herbal medicine must be combined to manage the symptoms, and then the patient will know that.
Thank you so very much, Ma. And a job well done to Quincy organization. Okay, another thing is that what do you think the government should do or can do to reduce the high rate of coronavirus in Nigeria?
I'm not a government official. I am a healer. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm sure they are planning about so many things to do to stop the spread. We are waiting for them. When they make the announcement, we will know what to do. But with the existing protocol they are announcing, social distancing, no, wearing of face mask. I'm not wearing mine because I'm on camera, and all of you are wearing. So I'm protected. Social distancing, no mask, washing of hands, and of course waiting for. They said they have a vaccine that's coming to Nigeria, so government is actually doing their best to stop the spread of coronavirus. So we are waiting for them. Because Nigeria is a praying nation, people are praying against this coronavirus, and I think God is answering our prayers. So very soon, with all these things in place, coronavirus will be a thing of the past by God's grace.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma. And the last but not the least, Ma, who are those people that you want to appreciate?
In my life, number one, I want to appreciate my Almighty God, the maker of heaven and earth, the one who has been with me from childhood till now, the one who has been my companion, my advisor, my counselor. I appreciate him. Of course, I appreciate my husband, Engineer Ayodele. He has been my supporter, my husband, my lover, my brother, my father, my friend, my everything to me. And my wonderful children, Marita Adol, Toby Kinney, and John Temilolu Ayodele. And of course, all of you guys, the media people, you have been wonderful to me from the inception of Quincy Herbals till now. And I thank God I've not failed you guys in any way. Whatever we promised that we do at Quincy, God has been able to make us to carry out our claims. So thank God I've not disappointed you. Of course, I appreciate my clients, those who believe in the work of our hands, those who have trusted their lives and trusted their lives into our hands, and God has been using us to heal them with, of course, natural medicine. And of course, I want to appreciate all my clients out there. Thank you for believing in Quincy wellness. Thank you for believing in nature. I thank my friends, my grandchildren, the media people particularly. Thank you all for believing in.
You're welcome. Thank you so much, Ma.
Thank you.
On behalf of Sports Media Crew, I'd like to say a very big happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Many more years ahead, enriching wealth. Amen. You will celebrate 100 in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Thank you.
Ayodele. I'm CEO of Metro Supermarkets and Deliberate Consulting. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm also a lawyer, a trained lawyer. And I'm also the executive director of Quincy Wellness and Education Center.
So, what are you going to tell the brand?
Oh, definitely her birthday present. Also her daughter.
Wow. Okay.
I gave birth to her on my birthday.
Wow.
I remember that particular year.
Taking us
I was telling my husband because you remember my birthday yesterday. That particular morning, I was watching my husband. You are going to work. You have not given me my birthday card. He said, I was late. I said, but you have to give me birthday present. And I fell into labor. Before 8 hours, and I gave back to her. Say, okay, now you have your birthday present now, okay? So every year now, you are not going to be asking me for birthday presents.
Okay, so all right, thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
All right, that's Daddy. So let's sing a birthday song to you people. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you today. May the good Lord bless you. Hip, 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 hooray. Hip, 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 hooray. It's a full house. Thank you.
Another grandchildren is coming. Oh yeah, we are singing happy birthday to Mama.
Yeah.
Happy
birthday.
to you.
You're cute. Happy, lovely children. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh yeah, everybody say happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
It's your kid.